Let's talk about how to add attributes to our object. So attributes are added to blocks. And the reason why you want to add attributes to a block is when you make them, every time you insert these blocks, they come in with questions. They come in with simple questions like, what's your name? What is your date of birth? Or if it is like a title block, it may ask you, what's the name of the project? And what is the day of completion? Or something like that. So let's try to see how we can make a title block. Okay. So I'm going to make a rectangle. Just do random size D. Let's do 30 by 30. Okay, so we're going to do specific corner, and we're going to make another rectangle. I'm going to try to do it here. I want to try to, this is just an example, so you don't have to worry about the dimensions, and we're going to try to add attributes to this. ATTDEF, that is attributes. Hit enter, and then we are going to tag what is name underscore project. Say enter project name. Default, we can say title block. And we're going to just do that. We're going to do middle center. We're going to make the size to be about, say, 2. Let's see how big 2 is. And 2 seems to be a little too large for us, so we may want to delete this. We're going to do ATTDEF. We're going to do, let's say, 0.75 to project name underscore name. Enter project name. Title block. I'm going to do middle center. And 7.5, hit OK. Okay, perfect. Usually moves away from where you place it. So what I usually do is try to grab it from the base point and place it where I want it to be. Project. Doesn't work. Just place. Okay. And now what we're going to do is ATTDEF. Enter again. Project underscore date. Enter project date. Default, we're going to do 9/30/2022. Middle center. Want to leave it at standard unless you want to modify that. You can totally do it and align below previous. So it's going to do that. Do the same thing. What else do we need? I think we'll just start with these two. And then what we're going to do is make it into a block. Be enter. I'm going to say attributes. So this is an attributes block. Pick a base point again based on where you want to enter it at. I'm going to say this is my entry point. I'm going to hit OK. Now see, these are the default questions. So when you hit it, it's going to do that. Now if I wanted to, I enter again, I can do attributes again based on insertion point. If you want a 000, which is going to be right here. If not, just double click and place it where you want to. And it's going to ask you questions again. You can change the date, change the title block, and that's about it. So let's say I want to do 10/11/2022, and this is going to be attributes. Okay. And see, and that's going to be our title block and attributes. These are just, I just tried to create some random ones.